This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. All is well. Let's take a look at markets here. We can see the markets pretty much close to the highs of the session. After yesterday's big down day, we can see the Dow is recapturing most of the losses from yesterday. But I have to say this is a tricky time in the market, because do we believe the recovery, or is this a trap before the market goes down again? So let me share with you what I'm looking at in the short term. So let's not put too much weight on this, but just something to consider. This is the S&P 500, the current 5-minute chart. And I'm going to draw a couple of lines. Line number one is this backtest line here, where we can see that this line captures pretty much what the market's been experiencing. We have resistance here, a break, which is this movement of the highs. We come and target or close to it here for these highs. We have a double top resistance here, which is these highs here. And then this is yesterday's down move, captured by this resistance level here as described. And then now we can see that for the day, S&P 500 is coming back and hitting that resistance line and showing some type of resistance. So if we're going to get a pullback, it might be around here. And we know that should the market clear this level to the upside, that's actually a bullish buy signal and a firm reason to continue looking for powerful breakouts in the market. So right now I have a list of candidates that I've already set ready to send to you guys. I'm holding off from sending the list of candidates just because I suspect that if the market cannot clear this line, chances are that we're going to be pulling back from around here. So a little bit of a wait and see game, but should the market clear this RSI level to the upside, that's going to be a reason to anticipate further movement to the upside. Now there's one other line which is pretty much a variation of the blue line. It is this line here, and what this line does, it gives us another way of looking at the market based on my uniformity method. We broke down here again, this gap down of the highs for the S&P 500, all-time highs at that. And what we can see here is if I extend this line something like that, just a little bit here, something like that, we see that this is also where the market is showing resistance. So what I can do is let me draw this line without all these other lines so we can see it clearly. All right, here goes. We got a break right here, somewhere there. Now this break, again, let me just mention, conveniently happens to be around that RSI level of 61.8. So that's meaningful. And then now we can see that this is the line right here. And it also captures this high. And then for the day, which is today, we've been hitting this level and showing resistance. So the market would have to clear this to the upside before we can anticipate further upside in the general market. Now let me bring back the blue line so we can see this is a good guide as to what to expect in the market. The RSI holding above the two lines is what the bulls want to see, while bears would be encouraged to see that the market is showing some stall around here, suggesting that the next intraday move seems to be pointing down. At any rate, should the market clear those lines, I will be sending you fresh breakout alerts. This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Love light, light love. Namaste.